Good morning guys, Angela here and welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutadi Art. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Welcome. In today's video, I am going to draw a sun over the horizon, and these are the colors I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Posca pens. As always, you guys know that I love using these. So I'm gonna use a deep, this is like a Prussian blue, this is turquoise blue, this is what is this? This is orange, yellow and white. So those are the colors I'm gonna use. Here I'm gonna put the water. Then here it's gonna be it's the sky, kind of, you know, it's white sky. I'm not gonna put a lot of colors up here. And then the sun, it's gonna be like right here, leaping up here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna use this lid to draw the sun, and I'm gonna do it on the side. I'm not going to do it right in the middle. I'm gonna draw it on the side. So let's go ahead and draw that like this. So let's go ahead and paint the bottom with white and these two. So it's gonna be a mix of white and so. And again, I might occasionally use regular paint just to make sure that they blend really well. But again, these Posca pens are just regular paint in a pen. And you can actually, once these are finished, once your Posca pen ink is finished or paint is finished, you can refill them. These are really cool paint because you can open them and refill them with fluid, like those golden paints, golden acrylics. I'm gonna need to add a little bit phthalo blue on here and kind of gray. This is phthalo blue that I had mixed for my other projects. So I'm gonna add it here. We want a realistic looking water, ocean water. I can use this fan brush, and I just kind of mix it really. See, realistic looking water. It's already starting to look like water. What I'm gonna do, I am gonna peel this, and hopefully it's gonna come off without ripping, because I'm using just a regular painting paper. I'm not using a canvas. Please don't rip. So that one is there now. Now what do? We want to take this, make a shadow. Same brush, make shadow. Have our shadow there. What we need to do is we need a tree with flowers coming up this way. And that we're gonna draw with black. We're gonna start right here to make the branch. Big branch. Now I'm gonna use my Posca pens, and I have to choose what color of leaves I want, like little buds of flowers and things growing on that tree. And I decided I'm gonna use one of these just so they can look a little bit reflected on the water. So we are going to do, just like we have done before, just tap 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 tap. You tap on one branch at a time. You have to tap one branch at a time. Don't mix all of them together, because then it will not look nice. One area at a time. And we might go in and add another color. Is a very easy technique. I mean, it's almost like dot. I mean, we're dotting, but it's not. You know, there's a technique called dotting technique. But this is, we just use Posca pens to dot these flowers and things all over the place, and it looks very realistic. I mean, I see a lot of people using cotton Q-tips and stuff, but since I already have that, I've used Q-tips before, and just to put these dots in. But since I already have these Posca pens, I just, why not use them? And they work just as well, if not better. So we are almost done here with this painting. That's how easy you can get this going. You can have your painting. Very, very simple. And you can have a nice little painting to put in the kitchen, on the kitchen wall, or you can put it in on the bathroom wall, wherever you want to put this. This is it's gonna make you happy, and every time you get in there, in that room, whichever room you decide to put this in, you're always gonna be happy that you painted this and it looks nice. You're gonna be proud of yourself for taking the chance and painting. Painting is such a beautiful and calming way of, just way of passing time and calming yourself down. You can paint with your children if you have kids, paint with your friends, paint by yourself. I like to paint sometimes with my daughter. She is very good. She paints really, really cool paintings. She has awesome painting. As you guys know, if you've watched a few of my videos, there's one that I talked about how I started painting, and it was my daughter who got me into painting, because she started painting and we would paint together. And then I was like, well, you know what, let's keep painting. But again, when I started my channel, I didn't, I couldn't put her paintings in there. Anyway, so one day she says she'll have her own channel. She's only 9. She's gonna be 10 this month. But one day she'll have her channel going, or whatever she wants to do. But she's very, very good at painting. She is my inspiration. It's very relaxing, very calming, very therapeutic. Voila, we have a painting finished. How is that? And it looks beautiful. So again, find something that you like doing, whether it's painting, whether it's whatever it is, painting, doing crafts, decors, whatever. Just paint, do something that makes you happy, that you can do. That will take you out of the everyday life problems and stresses. This is a good way of distressing. Anyway, this is what we have here, guys. This is the final result, and very cool. If you haven't subscribed, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I paint, whenever I post a new video. So yes, thanks again, and keep the momentum going. Let's hit it's not all about subscribers, it's just about bringing you a good content, and you know, just painting stuff that you like to watch, and from your comments, most of you like my work, so keep watching and I will keep bringing you good content. Thanks again, and God bless. I will see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.